Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a giveaway to one lucky winner of my subscribers or one of my viewers. You, my YouTube subscribers and viewers, I'm grateful for you, for what you do to support me in building my business. I appreciate you and I appreciate the feedback and the comments that you give me. And if it wasn't for you, I would never have grown my business. So I want to say thank you by giving away nice surprise to one of my viewers. So I will be giving away a done for you business, a free business with everything already in place. You can just upload and start your business. All you need to do to subscribe to this giveaway is join the Facebook group. The link will be below the video. So just join the Facebook group. And you will find in the Facebook group there's a lot of people who will support and help you with any questions in future. The second thing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link will be below, and you're in the YouTube channel, just click on the red button and subscribe. Ring the notification bell not to miss my future videos. And number 3, follow me on Instagram. Link again will be below the video. So please follow me on Instagram not to miss out on any of my future posts. So after you have accomplished your mission, you sign up for the lucky draw on 16 April 2021. So you have 2 weeks to prepare or finish, sign up and do the 3 steps that I'm requesting. 2 weeks, 2 April till 16 April, and then the winner will be announced on 16 April. So start now. Do not miss out. Make sure you're part of the draw. The winner gets a done for you business for free. The winner will be contacted by me and announced in the Facebook group on 16 April that we all can say congratulations. I'm Dr. Lundy from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice, training and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Check out the links below and do the 3 things. Join our Facebook group, subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and sign up for the big competition. You never know, you might be the winner. Thank you for watching. See you next time on the other side of the screen.